This is Chris Kent with your Core Complete Phase 1 Workout B. Much as with our Workout A, we want to focus on the eccentric, the lowering portion where we're counting to 4 on the way out, pausing, and then coming back fast. So I'm just going to give you an easy and a hard version for each exercise. Our first movement is called a reverse crunch. All right, with a reverse crunch, what I'm going to do is just set up with my hands around, like hands on the wall or hands on a box, or just something I can stabilize on. And what I'm thinking about doing is coming back fast and lowering, again, for a 4 count. I'm pressing my feet and knees together and getting my abs tight, holding, and just think about curling up into a ball and coming together like this. And again, this would be the easier version because my feet and knees are pressed together, my abs are tight. Now, the harder version of this exercise would be what we call a candlestick. All right? The candlestick, what I'm going to do, straighten my body out, straighten my legs out, extend up, hold, and again, count to 4 on the way down. Now, because my legs are extended out, this is much harder. So, I need you to be able to control this, and you should feel this only in your abs versus your low back. Feet and knees are pressed together the whole time. You're really tightening everything and keeping your abs tight. That's the key to this. All right, so we've got that exercise followed by our what we call our plank circuit. All right, with a plank, the key with the plank to making the plank harder or easier is much like a push-up. The higher we are, like on a chair or on a step, the easier it's going to be. We make things harder by moving to a lower bench, like this Reebok step, or to the ground. All right, now, the way we know whether or not we want to move up or down is whether you feel it more in your core or your upper body, all right? So I would say begin with the easier version, onto the chair. You're going to get that more in your abs, and that's what we're looking for. So you want to push the chair way out in front of you, back up. So there, it's kind of, think about being very long. Again, my feet and knees are pressed together, thinking about, and I'm rocking forward and back on my toes. So I'm coming forward, I'm coming back slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, up fast. Back slow, up fast, just like this. And again, pressing my heels together, keeping my abs tight, and just holding in this position. All right, so that's our first exercise. Our second exercise would be just what we call a scissor kick. All right, with the scissor kick, again, we make this harder by just straightening the legs out or bringing the knees in. All right, with this, what I'm doing is I'm just extending out, again, counting to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, coming in fast, pressing together, coming out slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, coming back in. The key with this is the lower you are to the ground, the harder that's going to be. All right, so you can make it harder or easier by raising or lowering your legs. All right, so again, we do the plank followed by the scissor kick. We're going to finish up with our last exercise, which is what's called a hand walk. All right, with a hand walk, again, I'm in a push-up position. I'm just going to walk forward and walk back. I want to think about 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 as I come forward, hold, and then come back fast. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the way out. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the way out. Blow out, and bring it back. All right, so we've got the toe rock, scissor kick, followed by the hand walk. All right, pick your level. You know, if you can do it pretty easily on the chair, you can certainly move down. That will make it harder, but the key is to focus on the abs versus the upper body. So that is what we're looking for with the plank circuit. Make sure that you've got that going on, and that's your workout B.